Incessant rains in Punjab are causing flooding in fresh areas. We are standing here in Jalandhar Cant area, and this is the Kukkad village. And what you see is people wading through knee-deep waters. This is leading up to at least 30 to 40 villages, and this is a bridge. But besides that, what you see is the Bai Canal, and that's where you see the flooding really taking place. That has now caused a lot of inconvenience, because remember, any sort of fresh material, any sort of eatery, any sort of connection. Now Punjab has declared school holidays till about September 3. We know MHA has made an interministerial committee to actually look into several of the states, including Punjab, to assess the damage. But let's just try and get you a sense of what is happening on ground, because remember, look at this, just about wading through the waters to ensure to just cross over, and that also looks very deep. We'll just try and get you a sense from several of the locals out here. आप ये बताइए कितना डैमेज है? पानी तो काफी बढ़ गया है.
बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज है. I can even speak English if you want.
जी जी बताइए.
डैमेज तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. अभी और ज़्यादा लग रहा है कि आगे से और ज़्यादा होगा. जैसे बारिश हो रही है, पीछे से पानी.
What do you think is the reason for this sort of calamity, in a sense, taking place? You know, Jalandhar hasn't seen flooding of this kind.
What do you want, in English or Hindi?
English.
I think it's the government's failure, because they are planting trees inside the May, which is like obstructing the water to flow freely. And I think the second thing is that just they don't know what to do, because they are closing the dams, and when they are filling, when they are overflowing, then they are releasing the water. What we think, they should the water should flow even when the monsoon season starts. It's not like they should store the water, and then when the dams starts to overflow, and then they release, and then you can see the damage.
So basic essentials. I mean, do you say this side or that side? I mean, how do you? What is the other alternative route to commute to the village?
There's no.
There's none.
There's none. There's another route which is about 10 kilometers from here, or the GT road, the main highway. There's no other route.
All right. So what you can see is this is a key arterial road as far as the villages are concerned. But at this point of time, being flooded, a key concern, especially in areas, because remember, some of the low-lying areas now getting flooded, inundated with water. This is also water going into several of the houses. But then definitely are the answers as to how the government can provide relief, because so far what we've seen is Punjab borders being impacted, but now it looks like even the cities are going to face the brunt as far as the water flow is concerned. With camera person Girish, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Jalandhar Cant for India Today.